A lot of conservatives are outraged by this sentence from a Biden-appointed judge. Constitutional attorney and former Arizona Justice Andrew Gould joins me now. Justice, welcome.
Morning, Mike.
So Guy Benson, Fox News contributor, raised a lot of concerns about this sentence, and let's put it on the screen for our viewers to see. The leftist judge in the case rejected prosecutors' request for a multi-decade sentence, giving the defense team the very lenient sentence they'd sought. The leftist judge, in her reasoning, cited the criminal's trans identity as a factor and expressed happiness that the assassination plot and its aftermath helped with the criminal's family therapy around the trans issue. What is your reaction to the sentencing in this case?
Well, Mike, for many years before I got on the Supreme Court, I was a trial judge in Yuma, which is a border county. I received many, many threats. Many times I would be in the court and I would look at these individuals and think, is my family safe? There were many nights I put my kids to bed. I didn't know what these individuals would do. There were times where I would get booking photos of them and I would sit down with my kids and my wife and say, watch out for this individual. So it's very personal to me. Justice Kavanaugh and his family sitting in that home are absolutely defenseless. It's terrifying for a judge. And so what I would tell you is simply this. This is on the path to anarchy. When you threaten judges like this, they're really defenseless against these kind of charges. And I've personally been in this situation. It is absolutely terrifying.
Considering political violence in recent months and even recent weeks, is there an argument to be made for stiffer sentences?
Oh, absolutely. This defendant shouldn't have gotten out of the courtroom with less than 20 years. This was a premeditated murder. And I know that Judge Boardman thought that this defendant had shown remorse. Frankly, I sentenced a lot of defendants. They all show remorse. You never know whether that's remorse for what they did because they got caught. This individual got out at 1 o'clock in the morning with the guns and the knives and night equipment, saw the U.S. Marshals there, and then surrendered. God help us if those U.S. Marshals hadn't been outside.
Amen. Attorney General Pam Bondi calling the sentence woefully insufficient. She's promising an appeal. Are you confident the appeal will lead to a longer sentence?
It's difficult for the government to win on appeal on a sentencing. It's much easier for a defendant. I applaud General Bondi for doing this, and I hope that an appellate court will look at this. But because there's so much discretion with a trial court judge in sentencing, it's going to be difficult to overturn. I will say this, some of the factors, in addition to remorse, this issue about being transgender in a male facility, I've never heard of that as a mitigating factor. The sentencing order almost reads like the judge saying, I feel sorry for the predicament you're in, and so I'm going to give you a lenient sentence. Judges need to stand up and do their job and protect the system. Mike, this is the road to anarchy.
The Virginia nominee for Republican nominee for governor expressing this concern. Let's play her, and I'll get you to react.
I am not saying Democrat leaders are committing violence. I'm saying this. The leadership of the Democrat Party is inciting violence as a strategy to win power.
Are you surprised by that reaction? Do you blame conservatives for being concerned?
No, I don't, because there's a cause and effect here. It is the vitriol, the demonization, and then the actions. That's what people have to look at. It's not just acts of violence. It's months and months and years of this type of very powerful rhetoric, and then the actions occur. And that is almost only occurring from the left on the right. There has to be a responsibility here. People listen, and they're placing people's lives at risk.
Judge Andrew Gould, thank you very much for your time and your analysis today, sir.
Hey everyone, I'm Emily Campagno. Catch me and my co-hosts Harris Faulkner and Kaylee McEnany on Outnumbered every weekday at 12 p.m. Eastern, or set your DVR. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page for daily highlights.